Good morning. Welcome to Wednesday. That means tonight is Reverb with our youth. And we are growing at a moderate pace. It's kind of exciting. Pretty exciting to have the problem of not enough room for the number of kids that we are seeing. So that's going to be awesome. We're going to have to find a new place to meet, hopefully, if we keep growing. And just witnessed the funniest thing here at work. There's a biker group, bicycle, I should clarify, not motorcycle bikers, and they ride. It's not every day, but I don't know. Maybe it's monthly or weekly. But this huge, just gang, like 20 cyclists, and they cross this one road as I'm driving in, and you got to be real careful to look out because they just come out of nowhere, 30 miles an hour, and it's just insane.
You know how some people are, anxious to leave work and really like it when they have to go home early or when they get to go home early. Yet today is not that kind of day for me. I was perfectly happy working the rest of the day in the office, and then my face exploded. Actually, specifically my nose. Yeah, so wind change, weather, it's a beautiful, gorgeous day, but that means that the winds are blowing all of the pollen and crap around, and my nose just is on the onslaught on my face. So I'm taking the last half of the day at home, because I'm out of it. I'm really surprised I haven't sneezed yet in front of you there. So anyway, hope your Wednesday is better than the rest of mine. I'm going to make the most of it. So have a good Wednesday. See you Thursday.